Metatrader4 winning strategy. This strategy is made for Metatrader4 and not Metatrader5. You cannot use this on the right platform. If this is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do not forget to turn on the notification button. Do give me a thumb up if you really like this video. The link to download all my indicator is always in the video description. Make sure you check it out and make sure you unzip the RAR file before you can make use of it. This strategy is strictly made for Metatrader4, but you can apply this on Metatrader5 since all the indicators I use for this particular strategy is a default indicator that is available on both MT4 and the MT5, so you can use this also. You can apply the strategy. It is the same principle. Now let's move on to today's strategy. Welcome to Profitable Forex Trading channel. This particular strategy can be used on MT5 and MT4. Just set it up. This is a default indicator. You can use this particular strategy to trade any pairs you want to trade, like a Euro USD, US card, and you can use this to trade metal also, like silver, gold, and the rest. This particular strategy can be used to trade indices like US 30, US 100, US Tech. It depends what your broker call all these indices, because the name varies from platform to platform but still refer to the same thing. You can use this particular strategy also to trade stocks. Any stock that is available on MT4 or MT5, you can use it to trade, and this can be used to trade cryptocurrency like BTC, Ethereum, Doji, and Litecoin, BT Cash, and the rest of the cryptocurrency, as long as you have it on your MT4 or MT5. Now let me show you how to use this particular indicator. I have combined only two indicators together for this particular strategy so that we trade in the direction of the trend and not trading against the trend. Now let me show you how to use this particular strategy. Now the number one thing you look out for is this moving averages. This is the moving average, and I'm going to show you how I come up with this particular values. I'm going to show you. You can play with the values, but this is what I'm using. So the first thing you have to look out for is this moving average. It's either the candle cross and close below the moving average. This is how to use this particular strategy. Number one thing you have to look out for, make sure this the candle close below all the moving averages that have combined together, all the lines, it must close below it. Then look out for our RSI indicator. If it crosses below as 50 level for a sell, and if it did cross, then you can place your trade. As we have it here, we have confirmation here, this close below, and this did cross at this particular point for a sell, and at this particular point we have another sell signal generated by the same indicator, the same principle. Here is another sell signal also, close below the moving average, and the RSI is below 50, and for a buy it must be above, it must cross the moving average above, and the RSI must be above the 50 level before you can place your trade. And this is how to use this particular strategy. You can use it on any pair you want. This is Euro, Japanese yen, and let's check it on US 30. Yes, it on US 30 on 15 minutes. We have a good run here also. This close below the 50 moving averages, close below the moving averages, and the RSI was below 50 level. And here we have a continuation, and you can use this on any time frame you want. Now let me show you how to set this particular indicator up. You can use it on any time frame, and let me show you how I come across or come about this particular settings for these moving averages. So the first indicator I have on my chart here on the main window is moving average. By default it is on your platform, and this is the value I use. I use a 62, period is 62, shift is 0, apply to simple, MA method rather simple, then apply to close, and I use white color, and this is the tick value for this particular MA. Now the level, I have other line here, then let me show you how I come across or come about this particular line. This is what I did. I only added different levels: minus 30, plus 30, 60, minus 60, 90, and minus 90. And if you want to do that, I'm going to show you how to do that, but you can use my template. Since I'm going to add only template for MT4, so it is good that you know how I set it up if you want to use it on MT5. Here is a relative strength index, and I use the value that I use apply to close the period is 14, and this is the value that I use anyway. Just pause it and set it up. The only thing I did there was to add this level 50 here, the middle line, and if you want to add the oversold and overbought level, you can do that, but I'm not using it, and that's why I'm not going to do that. But if you want to play with it, you can do that. Now let me show you how you can set up this particular moving averages. Now let me use another chart. Then you can come to this point here, and you see different indicators. Your trend, most likely you are going to have a moving average on that trend, but because I've used it before, and that's why you have it, I have it here on my chart, but it is on that trend. It's going to be on that trend in your own case if you've not used it before. Then moving average, then this is number one thing you do: set this to 62, and the MA method simple, apply to close. Then when it comes to level, I'm going to delete this so that I'm going to come up with another value. So I'll show you how to do that in case you want to use this on MT5. So the first thing you are going to do is to click add, and we are going to add 30, and click add again, minus 30, click add again, then 60, click add again, then minus 60, and click add again, then 90, then minus 90, and click OK. When you are done, you can use any color you want, and this is how it is, and this is how I come about this particular MA. So you can use that in your trading, and it is a good strategy. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. And before you take any trade, make sure you check Forex Factory to see if there's any news concerning any pair you want to trade or currencies, so that you will not trade against the news. It is important that you check Forex Factory or any news aggregator before you take your trade. This strategy can be used on Metatrader4 and Metatrader5. Make sure you check it out and practice it on a demo account. In my video description, I dropped some links to all the brokers that I've used before, and I do not have any issue with them. Make sure you trade with regulated Forex broker, and make sure you give me a thumb up. Subscribe if you've not done so before. Till I come your way again, make sure you practice and keep on winning. Always follow money management, and bye for now.